to my YouTube channel. My name is Noy. Today I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. Before starting this problem, if you are new for educational tube, make sure to subscribe in order to access safer engineering problem solutions that are very important for engineering students, and also you can share it for friends if you think this video is helpful for those. For now, let's jump into this problem. The both A and B travels constant speed of at the speed of both A 50 meters per second and for both B 10 meters per second. When they leave the pier at or the same time, determine the distance between the two boats, which means both A and both B at the time t equals to 5 seconds. In order to solve this problem, the distance between two boats A and 4 seconds, we can calculate simply the distance of both A from the origin and for both B from this starting point or at the pier. Then, as you know, speed equals to distance over time. From this distance equals to speed times time, so we can simply calculate the distance of both A and both B respectively, and we will get 60 meters and 40 meters per second. Then the distance of both is equals to 50 meters per second times 4 seconds. We can cancel it second by second, and we will get 60 meters. For both B, we will get 10 meters per second times 4 seconds equals to 14 meters. After this, we can use the vector of both A and B after 4 seconds in order to calculate the position simply in a polar in a coordinate form. Then for both A, we have get 60 meters is the magnitude, and at an angle of 60 meters we can split the magnitude of the distance of both A by using the concept of resolving of vector. Resolving of vector means the splitting of vector into its components that have the same effect as the original component. So for both A, we'll do 16 times cos 13i plus 16 times sin 13j, and we will get 51.96155 plus 13j. For both B, 14 cos 60i plus 4 sin j, we'll get for both B this value, and after this we can calculate the distance between both A and both B by using this formula, which means we can substitute the like term, and finally we will simplify the answer, and we will get 32.3 meters. So the distance between both A and both B after 4 seconds is 32.3 meters. It is all about this problem. If you have any question, you can put it in a comment section. Next, we will do question number 6. Until that, have a nice time. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and share it for your friends.